How to treat lower back pain at home. Of the different kinds of back pain out there, lower back pain is the most common. It affects 40% of all people at some point in their life. With regard to the cause of lower back pain, doctors often see it as a symptom of an underlying skeletal or muscular problem. The most common of these are sprains, strains, herniated discs, osteoarthritis, and spinal stenosis. Although not considered to be grave or serious, it does not mean that you can simply shrug off lower back pain. In fact, for most people, waking up with lower back pain can be so painful that they are unable to get up to work anymore. Given this, it is important to know how to treat lower back pain at home, especially because when pain presents itself, it can be too much to go anywhere. Here are a few tips to help you manage lower back pain in the comforts of your own home. 1. Keep moving but take it easy. It's normal for a person experiencing pain to just lie in bed helplessly, hoping that the pain will go away. In the case of lower back pain, inactivity is an enemy. The longer you stay in bed, the more strained and frozen up your muscles become, and the more painful it will be to do anything else. The best way to counter this is to continue with your tasks at home, albeit at a gentler pace. This way, you still get your chores done and address your lower back pain at the same time. 2. Cold and hot compresses. A hot and cold compress will be an unwavering ally in your battle against lower back pain. Several studies have shown that a hot compress is generally more effective than a cold one, but you have swelling, it is always much better to start with a cold compress. The application of cold constricts the blood vessels, limits blood flow, and thereby reduces swelling. When the swelling subsides, use a hot compress. The effect is the opposite with the hot compress. The heat causes the blood vessels to dilate, directing blood flow to the muscles and repairing them. While the use of hot and cold compresses are useful, too much can actually damage your vessels, so you should stop using them as soon as the discomfort disappears. 3. Use pain medication. A convenient way to counter lower back pain is to take pain medication. Of course, too much pain medication could be bad for your liver, so use it only when the pain becomes excruciating. 4. Be ergonomic. One of the best ways to manage back pain at home is to arrange your workspace so that it does not add stress and strain to your muscles. There are numerous ergonomic strategies organizing your desk, some of which includes placing your keyboard and mouse in arm's reach or choosing a work chair that allows you to plant your feet squarely on the ground so your lower back is not strained by your feet hanging off the edge of your chair. At the end of the day, however, it is so much easier to prevent lower back pain than to merely deal with it when it manifests. Preventing lower back pain entails disciplined lifestyle choice like the decision to exercise and give up smoking. Nevertheless, it remains important that you know how to treat lower back pain at home so that you do not need to panic when you wake up with a debilitating pain in your lower back. Visit Billihealth.com to know more about how to treat lower back pain at home.